All right, guys, Jared Bruning here again. I guess I want to show you something that I just discovered the other day. And again, maybe this is something that you're already using quite a bit, but again, I just found it and thought it was kind of cool. I'm looking here at, like, if let's say on Google Classroom, I had a student turn in an assignment, all right, and I'm wanting to make comments on their assignment, on their writing or something like that, all right, and so I've got an assignment pulled up here. That I'm wanting to make comments on. Now, of course, the standard way of making comments is, of course, you go and highlight, whatever you want to make a comment on, and I would then right click and then click on comment. But one thing that I just discovered here that Google apparently is just, well, I'm not sure when they added this, but I think it's pretty cool. If you look over here on the right hand side, there's this thing that says, comment bank. So I can create a bank of comments that, like, so many times when I'm grading things, I'm always saying the same thing over and over again. Use complete sentences, watch your spelling, watch your punctuation, things like that. That after a while, making all those comments, I just feel like I'm typing and typing and typing. So, I talked about before, there's this thing called Text Blaze that you can actually use in, in here or, in ThinkCirca. But, this is one that's just built right into Google, all right? And so I can add comments here. So let's just say, okay, I'm going to add a comment, please do not simply copy and paste material. All right, something that students tend to do a lot. All right, so I'm going to put that there. Now, the way that I can use this then is when I go in here to comment, I'm going to highlight, and if you notice, instead of hitting right-clicking and hitting comment, you can see there's already this little plus comment box that shows up as soon as I start highlighting. And so I'm just going to hit that. Now my little comment box pops up, and now what I do is if I do a little like hashtag, kind of like, as if I'm doing, Twitter or whatever, here's all my comments that come up. So I can, pick from the drop down menu there, or I can just simply start typing it. So let's say, I watch for spelling. So I'm just going to put watch, and then I can just hit enter then, and so I don't even have to go through and do the whole thing. So again, I can just highlight whatever I want. There's a little plus thing, and now my comment down here, I can hit hashtag and write complete sentences, comment. All right, so I can put all those things in there very, very quickly. All right, so again, I thought it was a neat little tool. I didn't realize that it was there before. Again, sometimes I feel like I'm behind the times on getting some of this stuff. But again, hopefully that'll help you out maybe when making comments on student work and giving feedback. So again, hopefully that helped, and I will talk to you later. Thanks.